Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Colorful Bandaids is probably one of the most exciting and practical additions to any first aid kit, transforming a mundane necessity into a vibrant expression of personal style. Forget those boring, flesh-tone strips. We're diving into a world where healing meets happiness, exploring an array of bandages designed to brighten spirits and add a pop of personality to everyday boo-boos. Whether you're looking for playful patterns for kids or chic designs for adults, these colorful companions are here to make the recovery process a little more cheerful and a lot more fun, proving that even the smallest items can make a big difference. Number 5. Sutures Butterfly Bandaids Laceration Closure Kit. Introducing Sutures Butterfly Bandaids, your go-to solution for wound care. This kit provides a convenient way to close lacerations without the need for stitches. Each kit contains 4 pieces, ensuring you have enough for various needs. It's designed for effective and simple wound closure. Experience surgical-level laceration repair right at home. Our innovative device allows for closure without the hassle of sewing. Featuring quick clot technology, it helps to stop bleeding fast. This means a quicker recovery and less discomfort for you. This emergency wound closure device is essential for any first aid kit. Be prepared for unexpected injuries with this reliable solution. Made from high-quality PU material, it's durable and reliable for all your wound care needs. Trust it to keep your wounds securely closed. What we like? If you need a quick and sterile way to close a wound without stitches, this is the ideal choice. It's designed for emergency situations where rapid wound closure and clotting are essential. If you're looking for a convenient and effective alternative to traditional suturing for lacerations, this product offers a no-sew solution. What people say. The colors are vibrant and fun, making them appealing for kids. They stick well and stay on through daily activities without peeling off. The variety of colors and patterns offered is great, providing options for different preferences. Number 4. Ourmed Flexible Assorted Bandages Variety Pack. Introducing a variety pack of flexible bandages, perfect for all your minor cuts and scrapes. Keep them handy for quick and easy first aid. This pack includes a wide assortment to cover different types of wounds. From fingertips to larger scrapes, we've got you covered. Experience a strong hold that lasts for up to 24 hours. These bandages stay in place, providing reliable protection when you need it most. Designed with your comfort in mind, our bandages are non-latex. They are suitable for sensitive skin, ensuring a gentle application. Don't be caught unprepared. This 100-piece pack is an essential addition to any home or travel first aid kit for immediate wound care. What we like? For those who need reliable wound care for everyday cuts and scrapes, this variety pack is perfect. Its strong hold ensures protection for up to 24 hours, making it suitable for active individuals. If you prefer bandages that are gentle on the skin and offer a secure fit throughout the day, this non-latex option is a great pick. What people say. The colors are vibrant and fun, making them appealing for kids. They stick well and stay in place throughout the day, even with activity. The material is flexible and comfortable, conforming to the skin without peeling off easily. Number 3. Glitter Stars and Strips Bandages. Introducing our dazzling bandages, perfect for adding a touch of fun to everyday boo-boos. They come in a convenient pack of 100. These bandages feature playful stars and stripes designs that kids will love. They make covering cuts and scrapes a little more exciting. Don't let the fun designs fool you. These bandages offer reliable protection to keep wounds clean and help them heal. They are designed to stay put. With 100 bandages in each pack, you'll have plenty on hand for all of life's little accidents. Stock up and be prepared. Get the best of both worlds with these bandages. They provide essential wound care while bringing a smile to your child's face. Your little ones will want to wear them. What we like? If you want to make wound care more enjoyable, especially for children, these glitter bandages are a fantastic option. Their fun designs and bright appearance can turn a minor injury into a less daunting experience. If you're looking for a way to add a touch of sparkle and excitement to basic first aid, these are the bandages for you. What people say. The colors are vibrant and fun, making them a great choice for kids. These Band-Aids stay on really well, even through hand washing. The variety of colors and patterns is fantastic, offering a lot of options. Number 2. All-terrain neon bandages. Introducing our neon bandages, designed for gentle, flexible, and durable protection. They are perfect for minor cuts, scrapes, and burns, offering reliable care wherever you go. Make unpleasant experiences pleasant for your children with these colorful bandages. They won't interrupt playtime and are easy to apply, ensuring comfort and quick recovery. Our bandages are 100% sterile and designed not to stick to wounds. This ensures a clean and protected healing environment, minimizing discomfort. These bandages are latex-free, making them safe for sensitive skin. Use them with our antibiotic gel to help prevent infection and aid the healing process for minor injuries. Created by outdoor enthusiasts, our products support an active lifestyle. We offer safe and effective topical first aid solutions using natural ingredients. We are dedicated to providing safe, effective, and environmentally friendly skincare protection. Our cruelty-free products help you and your family live active, healthy lives. What we like. For individuals with an active lifestyle or those who need reliable protection from minor injuries, these bandages are a top choice. Their durability and flexibility make them suitable for all terrains and activities. If you prioritize latex-free options and enjoy vibrant colors that can cheer up a difficult moment, these are the bandages to consider. What people say. The colors are vibrant and fun, making them appealing for kids. They stick well and stay on through hand washing and play. The variety of colors and patterns is great, offering different options for different occasions. Number 1. Curad Neon Plastic Adhesive Bandages. Introducing our vibrant and protective bandages, perfect for everyday cuts and scrapes. They come in a fun assortment of neon colors that kids will love. Designed to seal on all 4 sides, these bandages create a barrier against dirt and germs. Keep wounds clean and protected with confidence. The absorbent pad is crafted to avoid sticking to the wound, ensuring gentle removal. It provides long-lasting protection without discomfort. Experience a secure fit that stays in place for extended wear. Yet, they remove easily when it's time for a change, making them ideal for active individuals. Each bandage is individually wrapped and sterile, guaranteeing cleanliness and safety. They are ready to provide reliable protection whenever you need them. What we like. If you're looking for bandages that offer superior protection against dirt and germs, these are an excellent selection. The seal on all 4 sides provides a barrier that keeps wounds clean and aids healing. If you need sterile, individually wrapped bandages in fun neon colors, especially for children, these will provide long-lasting protection and peace of mind. What people say. The colors are vibrant and fun, making them appealing for kids. These band-aids are surprisingly durable and stay on well, even through hand washing. The variety of sizes included is great for covering different types of cuts and scrapes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.